I want to see you go that way real fast.
This way, that
This
way.
way. All the way to the end.
Okay.
Real good.
I got bucket up.
You know, it's hard to do in the grass.
I know it. These are the biggest wheels. Better move that big guy.
What?
Because he's on the motorcycle.
I tell you what, after you drive down there real fast, I'll move him for you. Okay? See if you can follow me.
I'm nuts. I got to move it again. How fast do we go?
Fast, fast. Come right past me.
What about hitting the distance? I need a big wheel they can fit.
I'll be careful. You did it.
That was the fastest one I am there.
I think it's the fastest bump you ever did. And the T-Rex, he managed to do okay. He didn't get scared, did he?
No, he doesn't get anything in there.
Uh-uh.
But Mama tried to run out the gas. How this going to fall?
I don't know. Is that hose over there for gas?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's get some.
Maybe.
Oh, you can drive it. It's still got enough gas to drive.
We're still can go fast.
Yep. Oh, because of the gas? Is that how it opens?
Uh-huh.
No, it don't open. You have to pretend it's open.
Why?
No. It's the way they made it.
It's just going to take forever to get this thing off.
I would just pretend.
That's the gas.
Yep, that's the gas.
It could take forever to get that thing off. To put gas in it.
Just gonna have to pretend it's open.
No, I'm not.
Put it somewhere else.
I just go open it forever. You just take it off like this.
I tried, baby. It wouldn't come off. Are you putting gas in up there at the front?
Well,
Right there?
there.
I don't know. Find another place.
What little place else can
Well, that's sad. I guess you're not gonna have any gas, are you?
No. But this one gets going back there.
That might be a good spot.
So that was gets go.
Got it? You didn't give me any money. Thank you. Oh, I'll go get the motorcycle now, okay? The bad guy. Hold on.
Wait for I get dinner. Dinner must take it Friday.
Okay.